China Construction First Building Group Corporation Limited. As long as nobody collides you, so it doesn't matter. I have no idea too. Some family may put it on because they have babies. Sometimes we just don't know. Sometimes all baby can climb. And like a 3 or 4 year kid will climb up to the window.
Oh, another rock star.
我哋部車嚟啦，嚟啦，嚟啦，上車啦，上車啦！
来，公司。
女生，欢迎大家来到咱们的通轨，我是大家今天通轨这边的讲解员谢雄。那我们等下人齐了之后，就从这边进站。那这个我们已经提前安排好了。等一下你们有包包的同学，包包。